Hello dear YouTuber. So today we are talking about a question from probability that will make use of Venn diagrams. If you remember Venn diagrams from somewhere, we generally used to make use of these Venn diagrams in sets when we study sets. So today we will be making use of Venn diagrams. Now the question is, in a university of 600 students, 300 offered Hindi, 200 offered Sociology and 150 did not opt for either. One student is selected at random from the class. What is the probability that he offered both the subjects? Now what is the situation? A student could opt Hindi, he could opt Sociology, he could opt neither. Then other combinations are, he could opt Hindi and Sociology also. This is something that is not given in the question, but this is something that has been asked in the question. What is the probability that he offered both subjects? Both subjects meaning Hindi and Sociology. So let us get into this Venn diagram and see how these things pan out. Now we have our complete population. This is our complete population of that university, complete university. Then in this university, certain have opted for Hindi and certain others have opted for Sociology. So let us say this is, let us say these are from Hindi, and then let us say these are from Sociology. So what do we have? We have certain students from Hindi, certain from Sociology, certain who have opted neither, and then this complete is our university. So university has, let us change the color, university has 600 students in all. (150) students do not opt for either. Neither are 150. Hindi are 300 and Sociology are 200. 300 offered Hindi, 200 offered Sociology. This is the situation that has been given. Now there is a section in this question, in this Venn diagram, which is not answered in the question. What would that be? Now let us see how many they should be. The complete population will be 600. Of these, 158 selected neither. So how many are left with Hindi, Sociology, Hindi and Sociology? All left with this are 450. So we have split the complete 600 population into two. 150 are who have got neither, who have selected neither. Then there are certain who have selected H or S, and this is a section which is H and S. So these are 450 students. Alright. Now, if these are 450 students, I have Hindi 300, Sociology 200. How many would be these? Total we have 450, of which 300 are Hindi, 200 are Sociology. So how many are the common ones? Common are written here twice. So how many are the common ones? Common, yeah, both would be 500 minus 450, making it 50. So these students would be 50. Let us see if everything makes perfect sense. I'm saying that these will be 50. Now let us make another Venn diagram and we'll see if we are making correct assumptions. Then we have our Hindi students, and then we have our sociology students. Now let us put who are what. University has 600 in all, neither are 150, common are 50 as we found out here. Now look here, Hindi are 300 in all, of which 50 are in common area. So 50 are here, so purely Hindi would be 250. Sociology has 200, of which 50 are in common area. So purely sociology would be 150. Now let me check if this is making sense. 250 in Hindi, 150 in sociology, 150 neither. So that makes 300, 550. And 50 are such who are Hindi also and sociology also. So this makes perfect sense for these 600. Now the question is very simple. What is the probability that the one student is selected at random? What is the probability that he offered both the subjects? Both the subjects. How many are both the subjects? We have this area, which is for both the subjects. How many such students? 50 out of total of 600. Probability of both would be 50 favorable upon 600 total. You could write it as 50 upon 600, or you could even reduce it to 1 out of 12. This is our solution for this, where we made use of Venn diagram to identify how many of these are common. Once we decoded how many of these are common, which was 50, the question was pretty straightforward. Probability of both is both 50 upon total 100. Both 50 upon total 100. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Here are some cards related to the video you just watched. Feel free to browse across them and do leave your comments and suggestions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.